Hello guys, welcome to yet another wonderful session of learning with Prepclass. My name is Tutor Olalekon Israel, your Prepclass English tutor, and I am super excited to have you join me in today's session of learning. Now, in today's session, we will be answering questions from the Jamb English 2012 past question. Remember, the purpose of this session is to help you prepare for your forthcoming Jamb examination. So, without wasting much time, take a moment to subscribe to this channel. Turn on the post notification so you can be notified whenever we upload any new content. Alright, let's begin. In each of the following questions 68 to 85. In each of the following questions 68 to 85, choose the option that best completes the gaps. Choose the option that best completes the gap. Right, let's begin. Question 66. He was both a writer and a politician, but it was better dash singing. Sorry, he was both a writer and a politician, but it was better dash a singer. Option A, he was both a writer and a politician, but it was better as if a singer. Option B, he was both a writer and a politician, but it was better like a singer. Option C, he was both a writer and a politician, but it was better as a singer. Option D, he was both a writer and a politician, but it was better to be a singer. So which of these options is the best to complete this sentence? Now, the answer to this question is option C, as it was both a writer and a politician, but it was better as a singer. Now, as is used for comparisons. As is used for comparisons. Here we are comparing the subject's ability as a writer, politician, and a singer. So, we come to a conclusion that it is better as a singer after we must have seen and observed his performance as a writer, politician, and singer. It was both a writer and a politician, but it was better as a singer. So the answer to this question is option C, as. Moving on, question 67. Vacancies in the company will be notified by dash A, bulletin. Option B, vacancies in the company will be notified by publication. Option C, vacancies in the company will be notified by publicity. Option D, vacancies in the company will be notified by advertisement. So which of these options is the best to complete this sentence? Bulletin. A bulletin is a short official statement or broadcast summary of news. It is also a regular newsletter or report issued by an organization. A publication is a book or journal issued for public sale. Option C, publicity. Publicity refers to the notice or attention given to someone or something by the media. The notice or attention given to someone or something by the media. The answer to this question is advertisement. Vacancies in the company will be notified by advertisement. An advertisement is a notice or announcement in a public medium. A notice or announcement in a public medium promoting a product, service, or event, or publicizing a job vacancy. So vacancies in the company will be notified by advertisement. Now, the difference between advertisement and publicity. Advertising is to advertise the product or service of a company for commercial purpose. Publicity is to publicize the product or service or company to provide information. Now, advertising is what a company says about its own product. So we want to declare we want to talk about vacancy. So we are advertising the roles, the vacant roles. But publicity is what others say about a product. So the answer to this question is option D, advertisement. Vacancies in the company will be notified by advertisement. Alright, moving on, question 68. The driver was short of petrol, so he dashed down the hills with the engines switched off. The driver was short of petrol, so he dashed down the hills with the engine switched off. A, he glided down the hills. B, he coasted down the hills. C, he wheeled down the hills. D, he taxied down the hills. Now, glided. Glided means to move with a smooth, quiet, continuous motion. To move easily without stopping and without effort or noise. The answer to this question is option B, coasted. Coasted means to move forward in a vehicle. To move forward in a vehicle without using the engine, usually down a hill. So the driver was short of petrol, so he coasted down the hills with the engine switched off. It is not option C, wheeled. Wheeled refers to having wheels to enable it to move around the ground, to move over the ground. It is not taxied. Taxied means to move slowly on the ground or on the surface of the water before take-off or after landing. It also means to transport by or as if by taxi. The answer is coasted. The driver was short of petrol, so he coasted down the hills with the engine switched off. Coasted means to move forward in a vehicle without using the engine, usually down a hill. So the answer to this question is option B, coasted. Moving on, question 69. He started his career as a dash teacher. He started his career as a dash teacher. Now the options, we have different spellings for auxiliary. Option A, A-U-X-I-L-L-A-R-Y. Option B, A-U-X-I-L-L-I-A-R-Y. Option C, A-U-X-I-L-A-R-Y. Option D, A-U-X-I-L-I-A-R-Y. So which of these options is the correct spelling for auxiliary? The answer to this question is option D, auxiliary. A-U-X-I-L-I-A-R-Y. He started his career as an auxiliary teacher. Now, an auxiliary is a person who is employed to assist other people in their work. So an auxiliary teacher is an assistant teacher, a supporting teacher. A teacher who is employed to assist the main teacher. So the answer to this question is option D, auxiliary. A-U-X-I-L-I-A-R-Y. Moving on, question 70. His many years of success in legal practice dash didn't come without challenges. A. His many years of success in legal practice indeed didn't come without challenges. B. His many years of success in legal practice but didn't come without challenges. C. His many years of success in legal practice, in spite of it all, didn't come without challenges. D. His many years of success in legal practice, however, didn't come without challenges. So which of these options is the best to complete this sentence? Now, the answer to this question is option D, however. His many years of success in legal practice, however, didn't come without challenges. However, in this context, serves the same purpose as although. So we can say his many years of success in legal practice, however, although, didn't come without challenges. However, indicates that the relationship between the two independent clauses is one of contrast or opposition. That there's a contrast between the two independent clauses. His many years of success in legal practice. Success. Now, in the other one we have was didn't come without challenges. Challenges, success. So there's a contrast. Success and challenges. However, his many years of success in legal practice, however, didn't come without challenges. Although it was successful, but the success didn't come without challenges. So the answer to this question is option D, however. His many years of success in legal practice, however, didn't come without challenges. Alright, and with that we've come to the end of this wonderful session. Please do not forget to drop your questions in the comment section. Also share this content with your friends and loved ones. You can as well check us out on WhatsApp. Check for the link to our WhatsApp group in the description of this video. Thank you for your time. Enjoy the rest of your day.